How to pay your utility bills using the Doxo application or website here on your browser or on the page. This is how you can exactly do it. Follow the steps. How do I pay a bill with Doxo? You can pay any bill with Doxo in just a few simple steps you have to follow in this video. Step 1 is go to find a biller on Doxo application. You have to open the app, click on find a biller, and then search for your biller by typing in the biller name, such as any of like your SIM recharge or anything else. Select the biller name, go to the biller profile page, enter the required information, and select Pay Bill. Log in or create a new Doxo user account and add or select your payment method to pay the bill. This is how you can exactly do it. If you are unable to locate, simply click on Doxo support. Now, this is the video. Thank you so much for watching it, and please subscribe for watching such amazing and short review updates like that. Keep watching, keep loving.